checking the houses?
Wasn't part of you fell off, was it?
That's clear. The nurse who can stay is Schroeder. And Mary would like to leave within the hour.
You have one more volunteer that wants to leave early on?
Apparently they changed their mind. The other one can stay a little bit longer.
First of all, Jim, tell me what your job is here tonight, the Red Cross team.
Well, our job is to take care of the immediate emergency needs of the people who have been affected by this particular disaster. And we offer food, clothing, shelter, emergency medical need if necessary, and then we can take care of other needs later on. Our immediate survey indicated about 37 homes, mostly double homes, affected, plus 2 apartment buildings with a total of 12 apartments. Now, those apartments were affected perhaps with just broken windows, and some of the homes were totally destroyed, so it will have to be a daytime survey, which will be much better than the one we made tonight.
I understand that a lot of people that were brought here tonight are elderly, and what are the special problems that you have to deal with in that case?
Well, if there are special problems, we'll meet them head on and do whatever is necessary. We can do whatever is necessary for people to meet their needs and to meet their comfort.